This is a final video to fix Palworld error failed to host multiplayer session. Are you tired of seeing this error every time you try to play with friends? Many players face this problem because the game struggles to connect through its network settings. Other solutions you find on YouTube or social media are usually long, confusing, and hard to follow. But today, I will show you a simple trick that works fast and gets you back online without any hassle. With this method, you won't need to change complicated files or spend hours troubleshooting. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to do, comment below and let me know. Make sure you follow this tip from Rexist, and your multiplayer sessions will run smoothly every time.